Hello. So many of you have heard that the area of a circle is related to that of the area of a rectangle. And you're questioning, how did that happen? Well, this is how they actually created the formula for area of a circle. So first of all here, we look at this and we have my circle. It's divided into two halves, the red half and the blue half, okay? And notice how it's made into many little sections of a pie here. There's a lot of lines that divide it, okay? Now, some things we need to know is, what is the distance all the way around the circle? That is called a circumference. Circumference is kind of like the perimeter for a circle. Now, the circumference is always equal to 2 pi multiplied by the radius, or pi multiplied by the diameter. Same thing. So this is what's going to happen here. This circle is cut into these pie slices, and we're going to separate them, pull them apart like that, so they're separated, and then we put them together like this. Now we end up making these little triangles, which represented a circle, okay? They are going to end up making a parallelogram, okay? The more smaller we cut these pieces of triangles, the closer it's going to end up representing, because if they were smaller, a rectangle, okay? And the closer will be to actually a circle. Now, if I look at this, the base of this is the same thing as pi times r, which is half of the circumference. Because if I look at that blue, if you remember, right there, this is half the circumference. 2 pi times the radius is my circumference, and since we're looking at half, we want half of that, which is just pi times radius. Okay? Now, I keep on looking. The height of this is equal to the radius. Because I look back here, one of these goes straight in to the middle. Each piece goes straight into the middle, which is the radius. Okay? Now we look at this also. What is, because it goes from here straight up, which is the radius. What is my formula for this rectangle? Well, the height, we go base times height. Okay? I take a look at that, it's base times height, which is the same thing here as my base is pi times r, and my height is radius. So what do I end up getting? I end up getting pi times radius for my area of a circle, which is the same thing as pi times radius squared. So that's how they ended up finding out the area of a circle. Hopefully you understood, and hopefully this helped you understand a little bit more.